I would say to parents that the CBAs or classroom-based assessments aren't as daunting as they sound. It feels a lot like just a project in kind of old-fashioned terms, where the students are given a chance to explore things a bit more freely, to come up with their own ideas for research, to develop their skills in researching and in communicating. Parents might hear about the CBAs in advance when the children are being introduced to them by the school, but then once the individual CBAs start, it might just lead to a conversation at home about looking for ideas or looking for input. And the students would benefit greatly if that was possible. Students gain a wide range of skills from the CBA process, very much aligned with the junior cycle skills. Managing themselves time-wise and work-wise is evident from the word go as soon as the CBA starts. Ideally, the classroom becomes much more student-led during a lot of the CBA, where students are following their own curiosity, asking each other questions, prompting each other with their ideas, obviously asking the teacher for guidance, but all the time generating the enthusiasm for the topic that they're researching themselves, and being able to explore it in a way that we can't prescribe, and we need to allow them to develop that more personal approach to the learning.